In a 2008 Jaguar S-Type, if you have cracked side view mirror glass, there's a way that you can replace that without having to buy a whole new mirror. This glass here has an adhesive backing, and you can stick it on the plastic back. I'm going to put an affiliate link in products to purchase new glass, and you need to make sure two things: that you're specifying it either for the passenger side or the driver's side like this one, and then that you have it oriented the correct way. You'll peel the paper backing off of the glass and affix it onto this. Do not do that until you've removed all the previous broken glass. And again, that is so that you don't need to purchase a whole new side mirror. So that will save you as much as $60, especially on this Jaguar. If you have any questions, put them in the comments.